Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and I've got a question for you if you're a new engineer. Are you the type of engineer who's been let down by others? Are you the type of person who's been disappointed, people not helping you, you're not getting the training what you want? Are you the type of person who feel like giving up? If you are, you've come to the right place because we can help you. When you watch this video on the training what I do and the skills what I can give you, you'll be hopefully motivated. So watch further, look and listen to what I say, and hopefully I will help you on your journey. And today we're looking at a Gledhill Boilermate A-Class open vent system. So what the problem is, we're getting no central heating. Hot water is okay, but no central heating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go closer to this PCB and show you what's going on here. So you can see on the left hand side like an F symbol, and then on the right like an L symbol. So what I'm going to show you next is these rocker switches here. So this top one, this is for the heating one, and the way it is now positioned, that's for the constant demand. And then this is off, and that's timed. So basically I'm going to put it on constant, or tell you, I'm just going to put it in the off position like that. Now you can see now that F symbol's gone. It's like a C symbol, and when I turn on the demand like this, you'll see it change. Now it's gone to this F symbol. Now we're still not getting no heating. Now what should be really be happening is that the F symbol should be like an H. So we're looking for the H symbol to be on, and once we've got the H symbol, that means the timer's on here and the room thermostat is on. So we're getting a breakdown in the circuit between the timer and the room stat to tell the PCB it's receiving demand, and it should be that H symbol should be showing. So we're going to dive in and see what we can find out what's going on the room thermostat, and then we'll take it from there. So this is the room stat, and what we're going to do, we're going to remove it off the wall. There's two screws underneath there, undo that, and then we'll see what the wiring is doing. Put the cover off, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do, this is the live coming in, and then when it switches through the thermostat, it goes out here to the boiler. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this live and connect it over to here. So this then, I'll have a constant live, and it's bridged through the thermostat, and then it should put a direct feed to the boiler upstairs. Now you can see I'll link the wires together. Now we're back at the boiler. I've got this on constant, but we've still got this F symbol, so we're not getting the full power. It's not on the H symbol what we're looking for. So the next step, what we're going to look at is this connection here on the PCB J28. So what we need to be looking at is this white wire there and this black wire here, because the white wire is for the demand from the timer and this switch to send power out, and then it returns back from the room thermostat on this black one here. So if we go down to this is the dim rail, and if you look at this one here, SLR, so that switch live return, so that's basically the wire coming back from the room thermostat saying that the thermostat's working. So what we're going to do, we're going to go across neutral here on this side and put my multimeter here, this SLR, to see if we're getting power coming in from the room stat, which we should be because we linked out the room stat, but we'll just confirm we are getting power returning back on SLR. So you can see I've got my neutral on this side and I'm on switch LR, and now if you look at the multimeter That means the power's coming in from the thermostat up to the connection on J28, because that black wire basically is connected to the same connection on the switch LR. So that means we've got power on this black. However, if we look at the PCB, it's still on the F symbol. It should be on the H symbol. So that means if there's power here on J28 on that black, there's something wrong with this plug connection on the PCB. This is the plug I just took off the PCB. Now let's look closer. We'll get closer. And you can see the three on the right. They're all the same size. The one on the left at the top is too big. So that is the reason why we're not getting the power going into the PCB, because that plug, well, that connection is too big and it's not going on the pin inside here. So we need to make this the right size. I'm going to use like a safety pin or something to make that smaller, and then we'll reconnect it and see if we're getting the right, well, the symbol should change hopefully, and then it'll get the demand from the thermostat. Success! We've now got the H shape. That's what we want. It's all working fine. So I'll just show you now. I'm going to turn the heating off. So that's off, and we're going to turn back on. So that's it. So we've got the thermostat replaced as well, because that was also causing us a problem. That's been changed. So there's our new room thermostat. So that's been our video, and I just want to mention something triple important. See these plugs here? If you take them off, never put your multimeter in the end of them, because you can damage them and cause them not to fit the PCB, and you're going to get false errors. So watch out for that, and never put multimeters in them plugs. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Now if you're the type of person, like I said before, then we can help you. All you need to do is click on the link below, go through to masterclassengineer.co.uk, and I guarantee we will find the solution for you.